My name is Jennifer KREZMAN, and this is my daughter, Allison. And the coalition did wonderful things for us by keeping my daughter in school at District 158. There was a lot of disruption in Allison's life in the previous couple of years. Yeah, our lives, yes. But we decided that the best way to keep things as stable as possible was to keep her at her school. And the school gave us a real hard time, and there were a lot of people that helped in our adventure. Ms. Peggy Dunn, for one, and she sent us to you wonderful ladies, and you guys have been beyond reproach. We couldn't thank you enough for everything that you guys have done. Keeping Allison in school was my main focus, and so far we've won, and we've done that. And if we have to go further, we will. These wonderful ladies will be more than happy to help you out if you need it. And as far as I'm concerned, I'll be investing a lot of time in the coalition. They wonderful people and wonderful ideals, and if it wasn't for them, this beautiful little girl here wouldn't be going to school. So thank you ladies very much.
Congratulations to the Chicago Law Project on their 10th year anniversary. I think they do magnificent work on behalf of children. I'm most familiar with what they've done and will continue to do on behalf of homeless children in the state of Illinois. I know that they're advocates each and every day on behalf of homeless children receiving quality education, that they make sure that not only do they receive quality education, but the environment and the way that they're treated and the processing of the children is done in such a dignified manner. I met and became acquainted with the lawyers in the project in a most unusual way. That was in a lawsuit. And I say humorously that I was taught a lesson. I came from a very large school system. We certainly thought that we could never be taken to the mat. But the lawyers in this particular project are not only good in terms of expertise and background work, but they are such strong advocates, and they're so passionate in everything that they do on behalf of children. So congratulations on your 10th year anniversary. I'm going to continue to support you. I hope that all of the educators in the state of Illinois realize what you do on behalf of children. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Ben Hannity. I've been working with the Chicago Coalition for about 10 years. And I guess since when I didn't realize that's about when the Law Project worked, but I used to be the director of the Illinois Coalition on Homelessness. I wanted to say, I've been working with homeless families a lot lately, and with homeless education. And when when the Illinois law was written to help homeless children, it was put in there that a school district has to refer someone to free and low-cost legal services. Unfortunately, from what with our legal assistance system we have in Illinois, really what that means now is the Chicago Coalition. They're the only people that I know of that are providing this kind of support for kids. And they've done it on numerous occasions, 20, 25, I'm not sure, but it's an incredible amount of work that they put into this. They do a great job, and so many times I've called them, and they've always been there to help. To pick up the phone, to answer my question, bounce ideas off of, and sometimes that's kind of the easy part, but also to take up those hard cases and really act as an advocate for a family, for someone who doesn't have anybody else. And I want to thank you, and hopefully you'll be around for a lot longer, because I want someone to answer that call. Thanks.
I really appreciate this opportunity to say some things about the Chicago Coalition for the Homelessness Law Project. I'll get right to the point. I've known Patricia and Renee for years, and I find them to be tireless advocates on behalf of the homeless, and in particular in the area of education law, one of my specialties. We've worked on cases together. I've often sought out their advice, and so they're an excellent resource. Again, I just want to say congratulations to the program for its 10 years of existence, and may you have 10,000 more. Thank you.
I'm NILAN, and I want to congratulate the Law Project for their tremendous anniversary that we're celebrating now. The Law Project has been just awesome to work with over the years. I've known them even before there was a Law Project, and they have just done some tremendous things for homeless kids and homeless families and homeless people over the years. And where would the world be without the Chicago Law Project? We'd be even in worse shape than we are now. So congratulations on their anniversary, and may there be many more and a lot less work to do.
My name is Barbara Duffield. I'm the Policy Director of the National Association for the Education of Homeless Children and Youth. It has been my great pleasure to work with the Law Project of the Chicago Coalition for the Homeless for all of the years that I've been working on homeless issues, which is greater than a decade. To me, the Law Center's work is unparalleled. It's very hard even to put into words the ways in which the legal advocacy on homeless children's education has shaped national policy, state policy, and certainly local policy in school districts all across the state of Illinois. When I think about the work that Renee Hayback has done, her voice and her vision has truly helped craft what we have today. I think back to the reauthorization of McKinney-Vento, working back in 1999 and 2000, when we ran into a snafu and we had a problem. I could always call Renee. She could not only offer her expert legal opinion, but also inform it with local experiences, help me draft language, and of course all of that work continues today, whether we're talking about the fight against separate schools, the need for transportation assistance, the need for vigorous ways to enforce the rights that Congress has given children and youth who are homeless. The Law Project has taken all of those issues, assisted me at the national level, and I know been an inspiration to people all across the state and across the nation.
Hello, I'd like to introduce myself. Name's Dave LEVEK. I'm the Area 1 Lead Liaison for the state of Illinois for homeless children and youth. I'm here to congratulate the Law Project of the Chicago Coalition to End Homelessness on their 10-year anniversary and say a few words of what they've meant to us as the Area 1 lead and what we're doing with local school districts throughout Area 1. Their work has been just incredible. They've been indispensable to some of the things that we've been doing. Their expertise is tremendous. They've been of particular value to us in some of the trainings that we've been doing throughout Area 1, and they've been extremely valuable when we've gotten into some dispute resolution hearings, and they're providing free legal representation to homeless families, and they just have done a tremendous job. And they provide a resource that I think if the Law Project and Chicago Coalition weren't there, I really don't know where we could turn to get their kind of expertise, nor do I know where we could turn to advise homeless families where they can go to get free and quality legal representation. So I thank them for all they've done and look forward to a continued and long relationship with the Law Project and the Coalition. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Brandon. I've been in the Coalition program for about a year now. They done got me back in school. They got me in a new home. I'm doing big things. I'm supposed to come out this May. Thanks to the Coalition, I'm able to come out. And I just want to say thank you. Happy 10-year anniversary. And keep doing your good job. Right?
Hello, my name is Dre. I've been with the Coalition for about a year and a half now. They helped me get back into school and stuff like that, helping me find a place to have a shelter, a roof over my head. I would just like to congratulate them on their 10 years. Good work. 10 more.
God.